Dive into another video. Today's video will be about Bitcoin's correlation and what it's doing compared to traditional markets. Bitcoin's correlation breaks from tech. History suggests a rebound. Despite its digital gold label, Bitcoin continues to trade more like a risk asset than a traditional store of value, with its rolling 1-year correlation with the NASDAQ remaining high at 0.87, while its link to gold sits much lower at 0.3. Over shorter horizons, however, those relationships shifting. Quarterly correlation between Bitcoin and gold has turned negative at 0.18, while its correlation with the NASDAQ weakened to 0.0. The decoupling began early in October. Before the 10th of October, that raised more than 19 billion in market value. The shift suggests that investors have already started reducing correlated exposure ahead of the drawdown. From a macro perspective, such as short-term correlation breaks are not unusual for Bitcoin. Since 2023, there have been 3 other episodes where Bitcoin NASDAQ correlation fell below 0. In each case, the relationship later reversed towards its long-term mean, risk sentiment stability. Risk sentiment stabilized, and Bitcoin delivered strong forward returns once the correlation normalized. With both Bitcoin and gold and the NASDAQ near all-time highs, Bitcoin is still seemingly underperforming. Correlation shocks often fade as risk appetite returns, suggest Bitcoin could trade as a high beta proxy for tech sentiment while still seeking its digital gold credibility. So price-wise, Bitcoin is still hovering around its all-time high, with around about $10,000 away at the current time. We're currently 9% away from all-time highs, which isn't a lot. We've seen Bitcoin do 9% in November pretty much every single day. It was absolutely crazy. So we're still in touching distance. We closed our second weekly highest candle in Bitcoin's history as well. So sentiment may be down at the moment, but many people are starting to shift to meme coin. That leads us on to Bitcoin Hyper 2, fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin finally here. Presale is now live. Buy Hyper now, 1 day, 11 hours and 23 minutes to go. As you can see here, there's already been 24.3 million USD raised, which is absolutely phenomenal. As you see here, Bitcoin Hyper official pre-sale website. Buy Hyper before it powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. You can connect your wallet, explore, bridge, staking, and memes. As you can see here, it's already been featured on the Cointelegraph, Coin Market Cap, Bitcoin.com, Crypto News, Binance Square, Bitcoin Magazine, and Bitcoin and 99 Bitcoin. So the cool thing is, you don't even just have to buy it with crypto. You can buy it with card. Well, I'll just show you guys how to get it with crypto as well. So what you can do is connect your best wallet, MetaMask wallet, and Coinbase wallet. So you can connect some good wallets there as well. Also for bank as well, you can also say I don't have a wallet, and you connect your bank card to any of these wallets like you can do, and you can just purchase some crypto to convert into as well. Just having a look here at some news. Why Hyper is the coin to watch in blockchain interoperability. Presale is now live. So what is Hyper? Remember when you waited 45 minutes in your Bitcoin payments to go through? Bitcoin Hyper wants to fix that frustration. It works as the proper layer 2 network built on Bitcoin. Picture a fast lane next to the traffic jam Bitcoin highway. While regular Bitcoin crawls along with expensive tolls, Bitcoin Hyper offers a quick route without the high fees. Bitcoin Hyper sits on the top of regular Bitcoin like an extra floor in a building. This layer handles all the busy work away from the main Bitcoin chain. No more waiting ages for purchases to clear, and no more paying fees that cost more than what you're buying. The tech borrows Solana's virtual machine, SVM, for its horsepower. That gives Bitcoin's rock solid security, but with the speed needed for real world usage. So if you guys are interested in joining the pre-sale, the link will be in the comments below. And if you want to check anything out, then always check out the bitcoinhyper.com website. That's been everything for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.